Hey, this is Mark Andrews, and I'm going to make a real down and dirty quick little tutorial on how to use HUDL. This is for all you new guys and for those of you who may not have used HUDL in the past. So what you're looking at right now is the OCFOA Drive email account, and I've set up a dummy user in HUDL, and this is the email address it's set up under. So you're getting these type of emails if you're on the HUDL list for varsity game film. So we're sharing everything now. So every time we publish a game film, you should get one of these emails. You can look at it. You can not look at it. It doesn't really matter. I would suggest looking at the game films, especially the ones you participate in. But let's say you want to look at this one. You can click on this, or you can go straight to HUDL, but this is the easy way to do it. By the way, I would strongly recommend using either Chrome or Firefox to use HUDL. A lot of the features that HUDL uses are not available in things like Internet Explorer and Edge. It just isn't up to speed yet. So use Chrome. That would be my suggestion, but Firefox works as well. So you log in, and it immediately takes you to the video library. Now this is the main menu up here. So you got home, video library. This is where you go to view videos. You can also view them from home. You can see that I shared this video with the coaches group. That's the coaches group is the HUDL way that we share videos with our association. We're all coaches. That's the way that, because this thing's designed for schools, not for us. So we have to do a lot of workarounds to make it work for us. But I can just click on this particular picture, and it would take me right to that game. And what it'll do is load the playlist down here at the bottom. That's each individual play. You see it right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 through 100. There happen to be 149 plays in this particular playlist. So if I wanted to go beyond 100, I would simply click next. Okay, and I can view all the plays. They'll play in order, or I can, if I know a particular play, I can look at that, go directly to it. Say I want to look at play 104. Okay, got sound on this one. That's unusual. Okay, so there's play 104, and let's say I wanted to share something with my crew or whoever, share it with me, and I want to highlight a player. I can click on that little circle icon right here. Creates a circle on the screen, puts it in the center. You can drag it around, put it over a player. You could use an arrow. Select that, point the arrow at the guy, and then you could put some text in there. And when you do that, HUDL does two things. It creates that little marker right there, and you can delete that whole mess if you want to, or now what'll happen is the video will stop there. Okay, and also you'll notice down here in the playlist that now I have a mark next to that play. So you can go through and mark up your whole game film, and HUDL will keep track of where you've made notations with that little icon there. And now let's say that I want to share what I've done, the work I've done. Say I've got 20 plays. And so I select all those plays by selecting that checkbox right there. And then I go over and I do a save playlist. And I call this selected plays for review. Sorry, I'm typing one-handed, which I really suck at because I'm holding the microphone in my other hand. Okay, and it's going to place it in this category over here unless you change it. You can create another category if you want. Say, call it your crew name or whatever. In this, it doesn't really matter. The only people that are going to be able to see this are the people that you share with, and I'm going to go over that next. So if I save the playlist, you'll see right over here now I have selected plays for review. Now, right now, the only person that can watch this is the person that created it. Now, so you want to share it. You're going to go over to Video, Manage Library. We'll get this screen, and we're going to select that particular playlist. We're going to click on Share. You can also download this play or plays to your computer. In this case, we're going to show you how to share. And you just go through here and let's say you want to share with Andrews, okay? So there's Coach Andrews. Drag me over there. Or you can select somebody and hit that arrow right there. Or you can select multiple people and hit this arrow to put everybody in. It's very friendly. Just go back and forth. You can put a message in the body of the text that they're going to get. And once you hit share, you're going to generate another one of those emails like the one you saw earlier. And you know, people that you shared with are going to get notified that they've got a video to watch. It's that simple. So let's see, is there anything else I need to tell you guys about? It's important to save your videos under game footage because we have unlimited space in that category. If you happen to select practice or opponent scout, there is limited amount of space available under those criteria, so don't choose those. It's not a huge deal if you do, but try not to. The schools that are listed are the ones that have submitted film for the 2016-2017 season. Okay, you can see them here. There's the 2015-2016 season. This is all last year's film. I want you to note that the dates are all the same. That's done on purpose so that all the schools' films are grouped under one heading instead of having individual dates. All of their film throughout the season will be listed. If you look at Calvary Chapel here, game footage, I know they sent in, so they have 3 different games from last year listed there. So that's the way that works. All right, I hope all that makes sense. If you have issues or questions, feel free to email me or call me. Thanks, guys.